Good morning, everyone. We're here with another What's New Wednesday update.
We don't have too much to report this week, but we do have a few things to talk about, so we're going to jump right in.
We are still taking applications to fill a couple of different library positions, so if you're interested in working with us and the rest of the library staff, check those out.
We're going to be hiring a part-time circulation clerk to assist at the library's front desks, as well as a part-time children's programmer to plan and supervise events for children and teens.
You can find more information about the available positions on the Kentucky Department of Libraries and Archives website at their job list section. We'll also drop that link in the video description.
Please be aware that we are only accepting applications submitted through the official online form. We cannot accept applications or provide more information than is included on that job listing through any other means, including email, social media, or in person. So make sure you go to the link provided to find out more and submit your application.
If you don't have a computer at home, you are welcome to visit either of our library locations and use our public computers to submit your application or for whatever other needs you might have. Our stacks are also open for browsing and checkouts.
We are observing occupancy limits, and we require face coverings for library staff and visitors, and encourage frequent hand washing and/or sanitizer use. We're also going to continue to avoid in-person programs for the time being until things get a little safer. Our county looks to be on the right track, but we don't want to move too quickly and cause a setback.
We will, however, continue to create regular videos and virtual programs to share online.
We'll also have one more month of take-home activity kits this spring. Make sure you've registered to receive the April kits if you haven't already done so. We'll put that link in the video description as well.
Elementary, middle, and high school students will get their monthly kit during the first full week of April, beginning April 5th. So they'll need to be registered no later than next Friday, April 2nd, in order to be included. Younger community members can get a kit each week in April.
Adults will also have the opportunity for another take-home surprise during the second week of April. Watch our social media for more information coming soon about signing up for those kits.
We'll be announcing some of our summer plans within the next few weeks too. We're in the planning stages right now and we have a lot of fun ideas, so you don't want to miss those.
And finally, as always, we have some new items to share with you today before we close.
This week in new materials, we have Dog Man, Mothering Heights by Dave Pilkey. The 10th juvenile graphic novel in the series is here from the same guy who created the Captain Underpants series. This time, the crew seem down in the dumps, but hope love can help them against a new villain. Danger in Numbers by best-selling author Heather Graham. An investigation into a ritualistic murder on the edge of the Everglades threatens to expose a small town's secrets as they collide with doomsday preppers. The Other Emily by Dean Koontz. In this suspense novel, David Thorne still hasn't recovered from losing the love of his life 10 years ago to a serial killer, but when a new love interest shows up, her similarities seem a little too close for comfort. And without a body, David begins to wonder, is this Emily? Between Two Kingdoms, a memoir of a life interrupted by Suleika Jaouad. In this nonfiction title, Jaouad writes about her battle with leukemia at age 23 and the continuing battles after recovery to find herself in a 10,000-mile cross-country journey.
You can check these items out in person or through curbside service. Just give us a call if you want to pick your items up curbside.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to make sure you don't miss any of our news or announcements we post there or any of the other fun things we post. Yesterday, for example, we shared another craft tutorial from our adult programmer Marlene. You can find that on Facebook or YouTube if you want to check it out.
And that's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us this morning. Have a great week.